Are you mommy's best friend?
No.
Whose best friend are
Daddy's
you?
best friend.
Well, when are you going to be mommy's best friend?
Never. Let me see.
Well, hold on. I'm recording you. So when are you going to be mommy's best friend? Tell Daddy you're mommy's best friend.
No.
Well, when are you going to be my best friend?
Best friend.
But do you love mommy?
Yes.
Do you love...
Daddy more.
That's not fair. Do you love mommy more?
Yeah.
You love mommy more than you love daddy?
Yeah.
Awesome. Give me...
I just got a peer.
I want you to give me a high five. So, does that mean you're mommy's best friend if you love me more than daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, daddy, she says she's my best friend.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Go tell daddy that you're mommy's best friend.
Daddy, I'm the best friend.
Sure are. Sure are. Your daddy's best friend.
You're mommy's best friend.